Good morning, guys. So today I am going to be prepping for Miami. I am actually leaving on Wednesday. It's currently Sunday and right now I'm going to get my nails done. My nails desperately need to be done. I'm gonna be doing that. I'm gonna go to the mall and get some shopping done, get some clothes for Miami. I thought it would be fun to bring you guys along with me. That's really what I have planned for today. Probably I'll pack some more, and yeah, that's really it. I don't really have anything crazy because it's only 9:30 in the morning and I'm still so tired, but I just got to the nail salon, so I'm just waiting a few more minutes so I can go in. It should be a good day. It's Sunday and I'm so tired, and I just woke up like literally 5 minutes ago, and I live right across the street from the nail salon, so that's a perk too. So I will see you guys in the nail salon. Hi guys, so I just got out of the nail salon. I got my eyebrows done too, and now they hurt, but I got this really pretty coral color or peach color, whatever color it is, and I'm so happy with them. They are so cute. I'm so excited. They came out so perfect. They just look like this. I don't know the name of it. I think it was like a DND, like some peach thing. I'll leave it here, but they are super cute and I really like them. I'm actually gonna be on my way to the mall right now, so I figured let's do a little drive with me. Why not? I hope I could find something like that I can wear. I have like no clothes, so that's good. And yeah, it's really hot out, so thank God I wore like shorts and a tank top. But usually in the mall it's cold, so I don't win at all. I am actually nervous, not nervous, but like kind of nervous for this trip. I have nothing like, that's not true. I do have some things planned. It's just, I don't know, it doesn't feel real like we're going. I'm actually going with one of my friends, Chris, and it doesn't feel real that we are going, but we are. Hey guys, so I just got to the mall, and yeah, so let's see. So I just got back in the car, just went to the mall, and I'm really surprised at myself. I actually did shopping. I actually got some clothes for Miami. So I just got home and I'm going to maybe like try to start packing. I really don't want to, but I'm just gonna like put things, kind of see what outfits I'm gonna be bringing. I got a bunch of things from Forever. I own a garage too, so that's everything. Okay, so I'm gonna like go through all that and I'll show you guys. So this is everything, except it's not like, you know, some of the stuff here, and those are my sunglasses case. So I have everything there, and I'm gonna try to start packing now. Hi guys, so I am in comfy clothes now. I'm still packing. It's kind of looking like a mess. I have whatever this is, the dress, clothes everywhere. So hi guys, so I haven't updated you guys. I mean, I'm literally just like staring at these clothes and doing nothing about it, so that's good. We are still working with this, and this is my carry-on right here. Like, this is my luggage. I'm just gonna put my carry-on here. But hopefully everything fits in there. These are some swimsuits that I have to put away. Ow. And these are some swimsuits that I have to pack. I have packing cubes that are in here. These are the packing envelope things, and then this is the beach bag that I'm gonna bring with me. Which I really hope everything fits in here, and I'm really scared it's not gonna. So yeah. So that is my dilemma right now. I just packed like clothes here, underwear in here, my bathing suit's just a bag right now. My shoes are still right there. This is gonna be my my school bag that I'm gonna bring with me on the plane, along with all this. I pack my curling iron. Gotta do just pajamas. Outfits I'm almost good with. This is my beach bag. Hey guys, so I totally forgot to end off this video. So that was my day, just like going to the mall, getting my nails done, and kinds of packing or seeing like what outfits I'm gonna bring with me. But I'll probably be doing a travel with me video the day I leave for Miami, because that's pretty fun. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!